Hi, I'm Zach Kadish, an SEO strategist here at Conductor. A vital part of ensuring SEO success is making sure that our webpage is optimized properly. Let's walk through a checklist of some of the best practices around SEO and this content process. So starting off, I feel that the first and foremost, the most important thing around when we're launching a landing page, a blog article, or anything is making sure that we have relevant keywords. And this is by doing keyword research. So by targeting relevant keywords, we want to make sure that they have sufficient monthly search volume, or MSV, so people are actually searching for them. And we also want to make sure that they're relevant. By relevant, I mean that we want to make sure that a user typing in this query is actually looking for our content. Once we find these relevant keywords, we need to make sure that we're placing them in the appropriate places. So the most important thing on the page is the title tag. This really tells Google and the user what the page is about. This is where we will put our primary and secondary keywords to really let everyone know what this page is talking about. Additionally, we want to make sure that we have a unique meta description. While this isn't necessarily a ranking factor, it's really important for click-through rate and messaging, as it allows us to really control what's going on within the SERP so our user can actually understand what this page is about before they even click on it. Once we actually find our primary and secondary keywords, there will likely be a lot of keywords that are related to this topic, but might not be the best ones to target within the title tag. This is where we can use our header tags. Within the H1 and the H2 tags, we want to make sure that we're building up our content structure by targeting some of these semantically related keywords. It's usually best practice to target your H1 tag and your title tag very similar, however, they don't need to be identical. We also want to make sure that we're mobile friendly. It's the best practice to have your site being responsive, so that means your mobile and your desktop site are exactly the same. This is important because Google's now rolling out a mobile-first index. So they'll actually take the mobile version of your site, crawl it, index it, and then rank it. And the reason for this is because now that 50% of users are actually searching on a mobile device, they're trying to tailor their experience for this. Since so many people are now using mobile devices, page speed has actually become a ranking factor. This is why it's super important that we need to continue to monitor our page speed to make sure that pages are loading correctly, because if you're going to a page and end up it's not loading, you'll likely leave it. We also want to make sure that we have control over our URLs. There's sometimes a lot of junk URLs that could potentially be thrown into the index. We want to make sure that we're monitoring these and only giving Google our best high quality URLs. Additionally, we need to make sure that these URLs are friendly and have SEO relevant keywords in them. Similar to the title and the H1 tags, we want to make sure that when a user clicks on our site, they understand what they're going towards. Additionally, images are really important to optimize. One way to do this is using alt tags. This is important because now Google can actually understand what this image says. Additionally, JavaScript has become super important within SEO and developers are using it like crazy. However, sometimes it's a little hard for Google to see this JavaScript. That's why we need to make sure it renders or loads properly so the user can easily see it. And additionally, we want to make the most out of our data. So with these SEO data-driven insights, we really need to make sure that we're optimizing our page properly so the customer can find it. For more information, check out Conductor's Academy course, SEO 101.